Hey everybody, it's Mike Trailer from DroneSense, and what we're going to do today is we're going to add some training. So we just recently did our nighttime currency training, so I'm going to go and add that into my account here. So what we need to do first is be on the training tab, which is this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a new training here. So let me go ahead and knock that out. So first I'm going to give it a name, so we're going to call it our night refresher. For my police department team training, and I got to spell right. That'd be critical. So we're going to go ahead and select my team, which would be my police department. This is a recurrent training. We do it every year. NWFSC PD, and we just did this training on the 5th. So let's go ahead and give it the 5th date and end date of the 5th. Now, if I wanted this training to have an expiration where it's continually rolling, I want and click training expires, and that's something we would use for like our part 107, things like that, and then I could set that up. But I want to do this every year, and I want to keep track of it that way. Because it's a one-off, whether it's 8 hours, 4 hours, or 40 hours, we'd give it a start date and end date, and of course we have to give it a description and able to save it. So it'll be NWFSC PD night refresher training, and then I can hit create training. So once you're happy with that, then you can assign your members. We want to go and pick out our officers that attend to the training. Hit next, and then we want to make sure we have the right date. So we want to assign it for the day of the training. So we're going to assign members, and that way the training will show up correctly. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and have a great day.